Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we'll be looking at this 2020 Lexus NX 300. This vehicle comes in a silver exterior color. It's a 4-door sport utility, seating 5 in a black interior color. This vehicle also carries a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission. Making our way into the front of the vehicle now, you have your power folding side mirrors and power window buttons. Speaker and storage space down at the bottom. Door panel is made up of a black leather. Both front seats are powered in a black leather as well, with lumbar support and headrest adjustment. Black leather wrapped steering wheel. You have your paddle shifters in the rear, volume and menu selection on the left side. You have your gap adjustment or collision awareness and lane keeping assist. You have your cruise control just behind the steering wheel to the right. This vehicle is a push to start, foot down on the brake. You have an analog front dash with a digital display. You have your infotainment screen as well with a backup camera. You have your guidelines as well. So down at the bottom you have your touch screen to adjust your menu, as well as your home button and menu selection. You have your audio, so AM, FM radio station, as well as your climate control options. This vehicle does come with Bluetooth. You have your manual climate control and heated seats just up the top with a nice little clock. You have your CD player and manual audio player. Eco mode, normal mode, and sport mode, as well as your traction control. Auto stop and start with your park brake. Nice little armrest. You can pull this out and it gives you a nice little mirror, as well as a storage compartment just underneath. Fold this up to reveal your extra USB and auxiliary port with a nice storage compartment. Leather wrapped gear shifter, rear view mirror. Up top you have your touch overhead lighting. You also have your illuminated vanity mirror and sun visor for both the driver's side and passenger side. They both come with a little extension as well. Going around the left-hand side of the vehicle, we'll start off with the 17-inch Lexus rims on summer tires. Color-matched side mirror with an integrated turn signal. Color-matched handle grip with keyless entry. You have your gas tank. Chromed badging, dual exhaust, rear wiper blade with the backup camera. You have your button for your trunk. Beautiful rear carpet area. You have a spare carpeted mat to help protect your space. You have your tonneau cover, access to the 60/40 split rear seats, handle grips just above. Going into the rear of the vehicle, you have the black leather door panel, speaker and storage down at the bottom. Rear seats are in a black leather. Your middle seat can fold down. Gives you your 2 little cup holders. Air vents at the rear of the center console. Leather magazine holders at the rear of both front seats. You have your overhead lighting and handle grips. This vehicle is also fitted with a full set of all-weather rubber liners. Finishing up with the right-hand side, you have your shark fin antenna. You have mud flaps installed, chrome around the windows, beautiful LED headlights with their own little fluid dispensers, black grille, front air vents as well. If there's anything else you'd like to know about the vehicle, check us out at our website at wolfecadillac.com or visit us at our dealership here in Edmonton, Alberta over on Stony Plain Rd. As always, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.